Hey everybody, Prepper Nurse 1 here. Well, since I live like such a pig, I have my chickens living like pigs as well. And so I finally have decided to clean their roosting area. I do this periodically just because it needs to be done. So I'm actually going to move this over and out of my way for a moment. So there's a lot of I got a lot of crap in here. So I'm just going to take it out, and it just goes right on the old ground. That's what this little rake is for, which comes in quite handy. Seems like most of it's done on this end. Oh, there's some in the back there. That's nice. That's very nice. Thank you, sir. So I just brought, Rob helped me, bring some straw in here, and I'll show you guys all that in a minute. I can put this one back in here. All right, so put their walkway back on there. All right, so I'm going to show you guys. So we got straw all the way down and around. I'm going to have to give them some more feed here as well. Their water is good at the moment, but you can see in here now, I pulled out all that poop, which is out now underneath, and put in fresh bedding for them. But actually, I'm just going to grab their bucket while I'm here. But yeah, put the straw down so that way they're not just walking in mud. And if you remember, everything that was muddy here now, that was wood chips. So, thank you. And it's snowing at the moment as well. So, we had a decent amount of rain last night, and actually I haven't even checked yet, so we're gonna kind of do it together. We're gonna go over here and we're gonna check and see if the tanks are working, because we did have several warmer days in a row.
Is this in the barrel?
No, that's. I'll just dump the rest of that in their run area. Yeah, I'm sorry. So we're going to go check this together, and then I got to give them some more feed. Where'd she run off to? She's at a point now where puppies are sleeping a lot more, and they're doing fine. And she, all right, we're just going to check this to see. I know more water had come in, but let's see if we actually have where we can get water out of here. Oh, look at that, see? Yep, all right, cool. And I didn't open that up, obviously, all the way. So what I'm going to end up doing, folks, for now, I have, and I'll show you here in a second. See, the thing is down here, the weather, there she is. Go inside with the babies. All right, hold on a second. I'll do that in a second. Come on, Hella girl. You go in with your babies. So we don't have really super extended cold periods down here. So, you know, like today, it was raining last night. It was in the 50s. And the last few days have been decent. I kind of figured that we would be able to get water out of the tanks, which I just showed you that I can. So I have like these buckets all here. Like this one is done because the bottom popped out. But what I'll end up doing is I'll fill, like I filled a couple buckets here just from the rainwater yesterday and last night. But I'll fill the other buckets up, and I'll probably bring them either, I'll put them in the wolf layer, so where it's going to be warmer, or I'll put some in the camper so that when I need water I have it, you know, as far as that goes. But for the most part, it's not a bad situation. You know, coming back from New York and having that where everything was frozen kind of sucked, you know, but it happens. And so yeah, so that's where I'm at with all of that, and we're just going to get things squared away and do that. But yeah, we're supposed to get some snow. I don't even know how much we're supposed to get today, but it's obviously, as you can see, it is snowing right now. So just trying to get a few things done around here right now. Rob just got here. He's going to be working on his place this week and weekend, and trying to get some things squared away down there. He's going to work on getting the rest of his flooring in. How many cases of 12 cases of flooring, and so he will be working on that, and we'll get things rocking and rolling. But you know, yeah, it's just that time of year, and you know, these things happen. So alright guys, well anyway, I'm going to jump off for now. I hope you're all doing well. I hope you like the update. Prepper Nurse 1 out for now.